Hi, this is Sandeep from Muffins Style. How are you? I'm sure you guys are doing really good. This is a most awaited video which I wanted to make it back in 2019. Today I'm going to discuss about being vegan. Back in 2019 when I was traveling to Tokyo, and that is the first time when I heard about this word called vegan. Doubts that I had it on my mind and the confusion that I had on my mind, I just thought it would be nice if I asked someone who's been following, who's been vegan and who's been following this concept for many years and who has a proper clear idea about what vegan is, rather than asking it to someone who doesn't even know what vegan is and somebody who doesn't have a kind of idea about what vegetarian food and what vegan food is all about. So this video is for you, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy this video.
Hi, I'm Phoebe. I'm a model and entrepreneur from South Africa. I'm currently living in India, and today I will be speaking to Muffins on Style about veganism. So I've got questions on my iPad. Let's see what they want to know. Question number 1. In what moment exactly did you become a vegan? So I watched a little video called Dairy is Scary, and it shook me to my core and upset me so deeply. So in that moment, my sister and I decided to go vegan. After seeing that, I was like, nope, no more dairy. Next question. What was your driving force behind this lifestyle change? So my driving force was that I love animals, I really love animals, and I never wanted to hurt anyone, so it was as simple as that really. In which aspects of your life do you practice veganism? So I practice veganism in all aspects of my life. I don't consume any animal products, so that means that I don't eat any meat, any fish, any honey, any dairy or any eggs, nothing that comes from an animal. But I also don't buy any products that have animal products in them. So all my cosmetics, my household cleaning stuff, my toiletries, whatever I buy now is vegan, and I also don't buy things like wool, silk and leather. Was it difficult to transition from being a vegetarian/non-vegetarian to being a vegan, and how did you overcome temptations? So the first part of the question, no, it wasn't difficult at all because I was already vegetarian, and at the time I was eating a very basic home food Indian vegetarian kind of diet with a bit of fruit and some outside treats here and there. So vegetarian Indian food, unless you're cooking with ghee, butter or cream, is already vegan. So there were not really any changes that I had to make inside the house. I have one story that I can think of. So I was working very late one day, and it was somebody's birthday at work, and they brought a cake for him. Beautiful chocolate cake. It was an eggless cake, but it still had milk in it. And I was so hungry. I don't know if I had not had lunch or if it was just because it was late, but I was ravenous. And I was very tempted by this cake. It smelled so delicious and it looked so beautiful. And I did and ah about it. I was like, okay, should I just have a little bit, then I won't be so hungry and I can start again tomorrow. And then boom, I said to myself, no, Phoebe, no. Your 5 minutes of pleasure/greed are not worth the lifetime of suffering that this cow has had to go through to get this milk onto your plate. So I believe in life, not only with me being vegan, but anything in life, if your reason is strong enough as to why you want to do something, it will be easy to achieve it. Like if you really love something or you really want something, good enough reason as to why you want it, you can achieve anything. So no, it wasn't difficult, and that is my temptation story. I recently listened to a podcast a few days ago with a lady called Susie Amos Cameron. She wrote a book called One Meal a Day. And you could start with something as simple as one meal a day. One plant-based meal a day has ginormous effects on the environment. So what that means is that either your breakfast, lunch or dinner you have as a plant-based meal. So it can be as simple as if you're eating pasta, instead of putting a meat sauce, put a tomato sauce. Just that one meal a day, you'll start seeing how many options there are and just how easy it is to switch your regular meals to plant-based meals. And that is not actually that scary. So the last question, would you like to give any suggestions to the audience at Muffins on Style? Suggestions. Well, I just mentioned the one meal a day. Okay, not everybody just wants to give it up in one shot. Why don't you ease yourself into it if that's what's better for you? Start with one meal a day thing. You could adopt something like a meat-free Monday as well. And you'll start seeing that it's easy to buy vegan food. There are more vegan options on the shelf. What wasn't normal a few years ago is normal now. There are always vegan options on menus now in restaurants, and there are so many vegan restaurants opening up all over the world, so that you don't even have to go to whatever restaurant and look for the vegan option. You can go straight to vegan restaurant. I'd also like to say that if anybody is wanting to transition to this lifestyle or this diet, you are more than welcome to message me and my sister on our vegan page. It's called the Vegan Sisters IC. If you need any tips or guidance or support or recipes, please feel free. We are more than happy to hear from you. We are more than happy to help you. So that's it from me on veganism today and my story. I'd just like to say a quick thank you to Muffin on Style for reaching out to me, for giving me this opportunity to speak to you about veganism and to show you that it is easy, it is affordable, it's not as difficult as you think. It's kind to yourself, it's kind to the planet, and of course it's kind to the animals. Thank you again, and thank you for watching or listening. Have a great day. Goodbye.
So this is it about this video. I'm sure you guys have already liked this video. Still, if you guys have some queries, don't worry, just write it down on the comment section. So like, share and subscribe this video. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.